Hey guys, I'm coming to you today with a demo view of the new Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. Now y'all know I cannot pass up on purchasing another Shea Moisture product. Okay, let's quickly get into it. Start with the Strengthen and Grow Restore Shampoo with shea butter and apple cider vinegar. This shampoo has pushed my elastic QP to the side, and as you can tell, I've been getting in heavy with this shampoo. I absolutely love this shampoo. The consistency is, you know, typical for a shampoo. The main three ingredients that are in this shampoo is the organic shea butter, the Jamaican black castor oil, and apple cider vinegar. And of course, before I completely go into the review and forget to say this, of course I will have a full out review on my blog, so you guys can go there in case I missed something in this video. You can go check out my blog, like pricing, all that good stuff, ingredients, all that jazz. So this is supposed to be a clarifying shampoo, which it is, and to me it smells like vanilla and licorice. It's actually, yes, it smells like vanilla extract, you know, the kind that you put in like cakes and stuff like that, and licorice. I love the smell, and it kind of lingers in your hair after, and all three products complement each other fragrance wise. It's a clarify and nourish and grow. I think it's safe to use every week. I'm not sure if it says not to do that, but I think it's not harsh on the hair at all. And one thing that I definitely notice, and how I can tell that I have a good shampoo, is when the front of my hair, which usually has zero, you know, formation of any kind of wave or zigzag, when it zigzags up, I know I have a good shampoo, because that means it moisturizes my hair so that it's curling up. Here I am using the shampoo. As you can see, a little bit goes a long way. I've kind of gotten a little heavy-handed with it, but a little bit goes a long way. Again, I can't stress how much I love this shampoo. Next up is the treatment mask with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin, and then I follow that with the leave-in conditioner. These two have the same three main ingredients listed on here, and it's organic shea butter, Jamaican black castor oil, and peppermint. For the treatment mask, I've never used a Shea Moisture treatment mask before, but I love this stuff. Like, it smells, and first of all, it looks kind of like a German chocolate cake, if you've ever seen the icing on those cakes. And it smells so good. I don't even smell the peppermint at all. This one has that vanilla cake batter kind of smell to it as well. I would definitely say more licorice. It kind of smells like black licorice or vanilla, black vanilla. It smells so good. And as you can see, it's almost gone. And here is the application of this product. And all these products, well, these two kind of have a darker color to them, but they don't stain your shower, and when the water runs, it doesn't run like a brown color or anything like that. Last but not least is the leave-in conditioner. I like this leave-in conditioner because it is 16 ounces of product. That's a lot for these kind of jars for the price. Typically, Shea Moisture has the pump conditioners, which I don't mind either the jar or the pump. Actually, with the jar, I'm gonna take that back. I prefer the jar because you can get all the product out, but with the pump, there's still product always left in the bottom. I'm like, man, I'm wasting my money. Anyways, so this one I would definitely say is the strongest, has the strongest fragrance out of the three products that I purchased. Of course, the line has maybe about 5 items in total, but I only purchased 3 that I knew that I was definitely going to use. So this one has the same vanilla licorice smell. A lot of people I saw said that it smells like Play-Doh, but I feel like once you get like when someone tells you, doesn't this smell like XYZ, you already have in your mind that it's going to smell like that. But to me, it smells like licorice. I don't know. licorice, Play-Doh, whatever. I like the smell. It has that vanilla smell again. This has the same 3 ingredients. This, I've used it both with heat and without heat. Honestly, I can't really tell a difference. My hair is just moisturized and that's all that I care about. All 3 of these products are the bomb diggity. I give them 10 fingers up, 2 thumbs up, and a big toe. These are the bomb. I love these. I definitely will be adding these to my staple. I'm not going to push my raw Shea conditioner to the curb, but I'm definitely going to say this is my new favorite Shea Moisture line. All in all, I love these suckers, and let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried out these, the Strength and Grow line, or if you've tried out any of the other new recently released Shea Moisture products. And as always, check my blog for a full review. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!